Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect Canva with Instagram, making your content creation and sharing much smoother. First, you will need an Instagram business account, which is crucial for direct scheduling. This account must also be linked to a Facebook page. Additionally, to access the full scheduling capabilities, you will need a Canva Pro, Canva Teams, or Canva for Nonprofits plan. These plans unlock the advanced features for seamless integration. Now, let's get your accounts linked. Begin by logging into Canva and navigating to the Apps section, or directly to the Content Planner. From there, search for and select Instagram Business. You will then be prompted to connect via Facebook. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Facebook account and grant Canva the necessary permissions to access your Instagram profile and content. This step securely establishes the connection. Once connected, you can start planning and scheduling your posts with ease. Use Canva's Content Planner to schedule your Instagram content well in advance. You can schedule up to 25 posts within a rolling 24-hour period. When preparing your posts, remember to add engaging captions and include up to 20 relevant hashtags to maximize your reach. This feature helps maintain a consistent posting schedule effortlessly. Finally, it's time to publish and optimize your creations. You can publish your designs directly from the Canva editor on your desktop or through the convenient Canva mobile app. While direct scheduling for Instagram stories and Reels is not yet available, you can easily share them manually using the Canva mobile app. Always ensure your designs are optimized for Instagram's common square or portrait dimensions for the best visual impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.